This is Disney's Art of Animation Resort. We are in a Finding Nemo family suite. When you first enter the Nemo suite, you'll see a seating area here at a table with 4 chairs. If you slide those chairs out, you'll be able to pull down the wall behind it, and you'll have a full-size bed there. So it's easy to sleep 2 people in this area. You have a bathroom, a full bathroom, right off of the entry area. There's a sliding pocket door here if you want privacy for the full area, or if you want somebody to be able to be using the sink here while somebody else is using the shower, you can close off this door as well. We have Dory here welcoming us with some of her friends, and that is a bathtub, a full bath here. As we enter the living room area, you can see there is a TV with the dresser underneath, so you have lots of storage here with these 2 units. You have some additional seating with the chair in the corner and these stools as well. And this couch here pulls out into a bed. And then here's our kitchenette area. We have a sink and a small refrigerator and the microwave up on top and a coffee maker, of course. The family suites have 2 windows in them, so they're nice and bright with these fun colors. It really makes them pop. The second bathroom has a big shower, as well as the sink and toilet. And this is a queen-size bed in this room. And you also have the dresser and a TV in here. Our room happens to look out to the big blue pool. It's a beautiful sunny day here, and I'm sure we will be making use of this area.